You don't carry fat, you carry pain, you carry memories, you carry regrets, you carry stress that has no voice, so it found a home in your body. People think weight is about food, but food is not the disease. It is the medicine you abuse to escape a disease you never healed. Every extra pound is a story you never told. A tear you never cried. A moment you stayed silent when you should have screamed. So don't tell me you're lazy, you're wounded, you're exhausted, you're human. Now listen, the body is a servant. It obeys, it never rebels. It doesn't argue with your decisions, it accepts them. Whether you eat at 2 a.m. or skip movement for 6 months, it doesn't lecture you. It just adapts quietly, slowly, patiently. And then one day when you see yourself in the mirror and whisper, how did I become this? The body still doesn't blame you. It just waits. Because your body doesn't want punishment. It wants a leader. You want to lose weight? Then take authority back over your own life. Start by healing your relationship with food. Food isn't the enemy. It's just the only friend that never betrayed you. But even a good friend, when misused, becomes poison. When you're sad, you eat. When you're bored, you eat. When you're angry, you eat. But what if you learn to sit with your pain and not escape it? You don't need a strict diet. You need a clean conscience. You don't need a gym. You need a reason bigger than taste, bigger than cravings, bigger than that 5 seconds of dopamine. Start here, ask yourself, what am I really hungry for? Because no burger can fill the emptiness of a father's absence. No chips can heal childhood bullying. No soda can erase the loneliness of feeling unloved. Face your pain or feed it. But you can't do both. Weight loss is not about shrinking your body. It's about expanding your self-respect. It's when you say, I love myself enough to suffer a little now, so I don't suffer forever. Discipline is love in motion. When you walk instead of scroll, that's self-respect. When you say no to dessert, that's protection. When you wake up to move, that's love. Because love isn't chocolate, it's change. And let me say this clearly, losing weight will hurt. But so does walking upstairs breathless, so does shopping for clothes you hate, so does hiding from cameras, so does pretending you're okay when your body is crying for help. Choose your pain. One pain gives birth to power, the other steals your future. And don't look for motivation. Motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. You need conviction. The kind of conviction that says, even if no one claps for me, I will clap for myself. The world will not believe in you until you become your own proof. So today, make a silent promise to your body. I have failed you before, but I will not fail you again. And then walk. Even if it's slow, even if it hurts, even if your mind screams, it's not enough. Walk anyway. Because that small step today, that's not a calorie burn, that's a lie burn. The lie that said you're not capable, the lie that said it's too late. Number, it's not too late, you're not too far gone. You're just one honest decision away from a new life. And when you finally start, when the fat begins to melt, when your breath becomes deeper, when your steps become lighter, it's not just your body that changes, it's your soul. Because the moment you choose health, you choose life. So stop waiting. Your future self is watching. And they are begging you, please, don't abandon me again. Naya!